What's up guys, Retro Django here, back with another pinball video. In this episode we're just gonna take a closer look at this Whirlwind. Now I had a Whirlwind before, I sold it, but Whirlwind is just one of those games that every time I get rid of a Whirlwind, I just miss it. This title was the game that took me into the world of pinball happiness 20 years ago. So this pin is just so special for me. I just have to own a Whirlwind. I don't know why. Same goes for the Black Rose, same goes for the High Speed 2. It's so weird. So some time ago, a few months ago, this Whirlwind came up for sale on a Facebook group that me and my best friend are admins for. So this one popped up and it wasn't anywhere close to my place, so I just ignored it. But I was like, man, it's a Whirlwind. I miss my Whirlwind. So I was thinking about buying it, and I don't know, a week or something went by, and I asked a friend if he could pick this game up for me and store it at his place. And he said, sure buddy, cool. So I contacted the owner of this pin because it cost about just over $3,000, guys. I mean, $3,000, you can't even buy, it's the price for mods, you know, so who gives? So I contacted him and I said, is it working, is it fine? He said, yeah, sure. And I let my friend pick this game up. So my friend had it at his place and I just got it delivered, guys. So let's take a closer look. What did I get for 3,000 bucks? Okay. So minus, it's got a chipping there and no one cares. It's got a chipping up there and no one cares. If we take a look here, the cabinet, usually the red color is gone on these games, but this one looks alright. Legs, yeah. Lockdown bar looks fine. I mean, remember the price, it's dirt cheap. Let me see here. Looks okay. I don't expect much for that kind of money, guys, but this side actually looks also fine. And yeah, you know what, guys, it's okay. So what did I get other than that? As you can see, it's got a brand new topper. Now the topper on these games, I'm so sorry, we had so much sun, it's so hot. I have been playing this game, the sun is just baking this room, it's so hot in here, and this pinball machine is just the best to play. I made, as you can see, I just made a high score of $30 million over there. Yeah, usually these are yellow brown, and as you can see, looks nice. The decals usually are worn off. This is brand new. Fan is new. It's just brand new. Beautiful stuff. In here, as you can see, it has got a lot of LEDs, and I changed something here that I want to show you in a minute. So, other than that, I love this. I love this. This is one of the first games that has got this mini wizard mode. And this is just pure craziness. I love it, man. Again, full LEDs, looks nice. In here, the previous owner installed some sort of orange kind light in there, and at the beginning I didn't like it, but when it's dark in here, the ramps will lit up yellow, and it actually looks real nice. And then when the thunder hits, a really big white LED flashers, great effect. Usually these one has got crack here from the ramp to the metal part. This is not cracked, so that's nice. Usually they will crack here at this Picard ramp This is not cracked. I'm gonna buy a protector there, of course. As you can see, it has got rough decals here, beautiful stuff. Usually these scoop holes are all worn out. This one came with cliffy protectors, looks beautiful. These games came with, now this is not cleaned, no nothing. As you can see, we have got Mylar up here, and this game, usually the Mylar stops here and then goes down here. This game has also installed Mylar on top here, so every time the balls popped out, it landed on Mylar both places. Now, back in the 80s, back in the 90s, when dealers sold these games, they gave these rolls of Mylar for the vendors. Some of them did install it, others didn't. So this guy that bought this one, he installed full Mylar everywhere. On the pop bumper area, everywhere it's Mylar up, and the play field. You can actually see when the ball drops from here, when the ball drops from here and down. It's dirty, but we have got absolutely no wear, no nothing. And this play field, I haven't cleaned it, I haven't waxed it. It's just as it came. It has got, it looks like silicone here, blue silicone rubber there, one very dirty white rubber here. It should have two. Usually, yeah, it's cracked up there on the plastic, yeah. And at the other side, it has got black rubber, but it has got two layers of rubber there, so that's nice. Other than that, this video is just a preview video. What did I get for my 3,000 bucks? How does it look now, and what will it look like when I have disassembled everything, cleaned the play field, and yeah, work my magic. 2 seconds, guys, 2 seconds. I will just take down the back glass. There we go. Back glass is off. As you can see, it came with full LED, but here they are called, is it 455? I don't remember. But these bulbs I installed, I think there's 10 of them. It's perfect for this game and for Adam's family, having those flashers just flashing left to right. It gives such a great effect. So if you have got a Whirlwind or an Adam's family, go ahead and buy these. Again, I think they were called 455, I'm not sure. So yeah, other than that, it has got all these LEDs. I think it has got the LEDs everywhere. So we're gonna, I'm not gonna show it now, but the owner has also installed LEDs here on those big flasher areas. LED here, there, between pop bumpers there, between pop bumpers there. And the cool part is those LEDs are color changers. So when you rip this spinner, it will just, you know, blink white, and then it will blink purple and yellow and red. Oh, it gives such a cool effect. I like it. Also, between the pop bumpers here, gives, every time you pop, it will be green, blue, yellow, red. It's a great effect. So that's how it looks. Again, beautiful stuff. As you can see here, ta-da! Brand new full LED display. Also 3,000 bucks. I mean, what can you expect? The colors are fine. The play field is just crystal clear. I love it. It's sturdy, but no wear. I mean, for the money, I'm so happy with this purchase. I didn't check anything. I didn't test anything. This game just got picked up for me. So on these System 11 games, yeah, down here you have the connectors for the GI light. They're usually burned out, but this one looks brand new, beautiful looking. And with this LED display and LEDs everywhere, LEDs on the back box, this is a great purchase. As you can see, the previous owner has updated to the latest ROM, should be, yeah, L3. Latest game ROM, beautiful stuff. The knocker is disabled. Thank you for that. As you can see, it has got brand new caps on the PSU here for the power supply. As you can see, these two high voltage 110 volts fusers are pulled out. That's because this one only works with 5 volts. And I have got a regulator here on the side that can make it much more bright or dim it. And at the back side, I can see that this one works with Data East games and a lot of System 11 games. I mean, everything is just quality LEDs, everything just adds up. So I'm just so happy with this purchase. I mean, for the money and the way it shoots, we have to look under the playfield. 2 seconds, guys. Again, it's not cleaned, no nothing, but you can always check out, you know, around these pop bumpers. Is it black? Is it worn off? How does it look? And you can see here at the flippers, is it black? Is it worn off? Is it dirty here? And you can check out the wood. Is it black or is it, you know, clean? I mean, look at this, guys. It's just, I'm so, usually when games are in this condition, I tend to pay much more than this, but I feel like this was a steal. Of course, it's because the game appeals so much to me. I really love this title, but I feel like, wow, man, I am so lucky with this one. And it plays, it shoots absolutely amazing. Yeah.
Oh, looks like rain.
Looks like rain. It shoots so nice. Woo! Audio. Oh man, it's such a cool pin. Love the LEDs up there. Let's just see how it shoots. Bam! You should hear. Yeah. Yeah. Let's lock this ball. Oh yes. Next ball. Oh good. Look at the power here. You shoot here. Look at how it flies out. Just look. Bam! Did you see that? Did you see that?
Go away.
Bam! Not all games shoot like that. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. Woo. It's the ball. Thank you. Oh man, it's just, I love it. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Woo. And the bang. Oh yes. Let's look at that effect there. That blinking effect. Such a great pinball. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Whoa. Look at that purple. Did you see that? Nice. All right. Oh, I just made it, did I? That's for the sellers, alright. It gives you a second chance. Oh. Million plus. Oh, love this game. Just listen to everything goes so sorry, guys. Nothing is clean, as you can see. I haven't. There we go. Looks already much better. Now you guys are saying, Retro Django, go ahead and buy a brand new Godzilla. It's a great game. Don't use your time and energy on 30-year-old games. This is from 1990, it's over 30, guys, and it's a $10 game. I know, all the new games, they're just great. I love Godzilla, it's my favorite game, but I have 4 games. I have Totem, I have Whirlwind, I have Black Rose, and The Getaway. I just can't have it without them. I don't know why. It's just, do you have such games, you know, old classics that you just, if you sell them, you just miss them? That's how I feel about this one. Yeah. Oh, one thing I just want to show. It came with this plastic that was broken. So I had new ones I installed. And to my big surprise, these were broken with these legs and protectors on. So I need to install proper plastic protectors. Also here, new plastic and plastic protectors, because you have a lot of juice from here. When you hit these targets, you can fly up and destroy this one. Protector over here. So I'm gonna protect this one. But it's mylar up and oh, it's dirty. But again, for 3,000 bucks, what can you expect? Was this a good purchase, or am I just... Yeah, you know what I mean, guys. Thank you for watching. I wish you all a great day out there. Retro Django is gonna play some Whirlwind. Bye.